Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life, and today we're making white chocolate and cranberry cookies. Let's go ahead and get started. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We dehydrated our own cranberries, but you can use fresh or dried, whichever you have. Here are the ingredients. And we had some leftover cranberries that didn't dehydrate, so we're going to use those as well. Start out with softened butter in your bowl and then go ahead and add your brown sugar and your white sugar. You can use light sugar or brown sugar or dark sugar, whichever one you have, and go ahead and cream that butter until it's nice and smooth. And then we'll go ahead and add in 1 egg and we'll blend that in nice and well. And then go ahead and add in your vanilla. We've got our own that we've made as well. Go ahead and add your baking powder and your salt. Mix this and get it incorporated. Then add your white chocolate chips and then measure out and add in your cranberries. If you're using dried cranberries, you will use half as a cup and a quarter. If you're using whole cranberries, you'll use 2.5 cups. And go ahead and get those mixed just until it's incorporated. And then go ahead and add in your flour 1 cup at a time. And then mix, and then only mix this until it's incorporated. We don't want to overmix and make tough cookies. Let's go ahead and put these on a baking tray about 1 inch in size, and you'll want to put these out um, on a parchment, or you can use silicone mat. And then we are going to bake them for 12 to 13 minutes, keep an eye on them. We'll remove these from the oven and let them sit and put the next batch in, or you can freeze the dough and pull them out and bake as you need or as you want to eat your cookies. And there you have it, delicious white chocolate chip cranberry cookies. Perfect for the holidays, for gift giving, or if you just want to eat them for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what your favorite type of cookie is. Have a great day.